Coming up in this video, Dead Mans Fingers new hazelnut rum. And this is a fruit and nut cocktail for you. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits, your favourite drinks even more. I'm giving you drinks inspiration, and today's inspiration comes in the final DMF flavour that I've got to rock out on this channel. This is the 10th flavour and this is hazelnut. Kind of new, they launched 3 at the same time: raspberry, passion fruit, and I've moved the coffee was down there, the hazelnut. So that now makes 10. I've played about a lot with hazelnut stuff over the years. I do love hazelnut. There's a really tasty hazelnut rum on the market, Belgrove Hayed. I love his rum as well. But DMF, I know you guys that watch me love my DMF stuff, and I love it as well. It's just innocent, it's fun, fruity, you know, it just works. It's originally from Cornwall. I know it's not anymore. I'm Cornish. I've got a lot of love for it. That's where it is. Right, today's recipe flipped up massively, but I used to rock out a fruit and nut martini years and years ago, but it flipped up massively using the ingredients I've got to hand now, and it used to be a sort of cream based cocktail as well, and I'm not going cream. So martini, and I'm just going to chill that down, put that to one side. Right, we're going straight in with this. So just need to, actually let's go first. I've got some puree in there. The first ingredient, just so I don't need to wash that out straight away, is some cherry puree, ODK cherry puree. So this is the first one, long life, shelf stable. Let's give it a good shake. I just want about 20 ml of this. 20 ml. There we go. Lovely jubbly. In case you haven't worked out, there's puree in there from the last cocktail I just filmed, so that's why I've gone that one. There, right. Now we can start washing it out. And I want 35 ml of Dead Mans Fingers hazelnut rum. Real in your face hazelnut. Kind of chocolatey notes on there as well. It's really tasty. So let's just go this way to wash it out. 35 ml, so 25 and 10. Okay, that's got rid of all the cherry. Right, so 35 ml of Dead Mans Fingers hazelnut. Next bit of fruit, coming in the form of a raspberry liqueur, bit of Chambord, black raspberry liqueur, and I just want 15 ml of this. 1.5. Right, and then 2 more ingredients to come. The first of which is, which one is it? That one. Some lemon juice. I just want 10 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That just gives it that nice kind of citrusy bite. But actually, there is one more ingredient because I want to give it some. Now, I was thinking I was going to use chocolate milk for this, and I use Alpro chocolate milk. That's what I was thinking, and then I remembered I had this really luxurious chocolate liqueur, Bouvray chocolate liqueur. It is where is it? 16% ABV. I've used it a couple of times now. Oh, it's just like liquid dairy milk, liquid galaxy. It's so tasty. I just want to give it a shake. I remember this last time. Give it a good shake. There we go. Right. I just want 25 ml of this. So this is going to be a proper indulgent chocolate, hazelnut, fruity. Run your finger around there. Chocolatey. Oh, I love that. Is it wrong that I want that on toast? That's so good. Let's put that away. I was going to run my finger around there. Right, and then I just want to give this a bit of froth on top, that's all. So I've got, you guys have seen me use this quite a lot. Miss Betty's Bitters, Miraculous Foam, is the equivalent of 160 egg whites, dairy and vegan free. So 1/4 to 1/3 of a pipette. Right, now just going to ice this up. And I think this one definitely does need a name. Fruit and Nut Martini. Are you happy with that? If not, let me know your name suggestions in the comments below. I tell you, there's a few that I have to say, I know there's a lot of you commenting, but I have to say Trevor is leading the way with the names. He's very out there with some of his names. So thank you, Trevor, for your names. I tell you, some of them go straight over my head, but some of them I do get. So lovely, jubbly. So if you've got any crazy names for this, Fruit Nut Martini, DMF Hazelnut, Chocolate, Bouvray, whatever you want to call, I don't know, have a think. Anyway, the whole reason for that is all these recipes go into my updated cocktail book. You can always get the free version in any of the comments on any of my videos. So download the free version, but the updated version is a perk of my Patreon membership. So go and check my Patreon out. Loads of cool stuff in there. I love to give value. So right, just got to shake this down. Big thank you as well to my Patreon supporting me. Love you guys. Your names will be popping up on screen. So thank you so much. Right, hard. Oh, I love it. I'm a chocoholic. I am a chocoholic. Right, hard and fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right. Look at that. Oh, smell. It smells like a bar of dairy, fruit and nut. Oh, that's going to be so good. Right. Get rid of your ice. It's been chilling that down. And I want to double strain this one. Again, get rid of all the little tiny shards of ice. Yes. Look at that. Made it a little bit frothy in consistency. Lovely jubbly. Right. Then to garnish, if you watched my last video, if I do them in the right order, you'll know exactly what this is, because I've got a bit left over and I thought that would work quite well. This is blitzed up dried raspberry. So that's exactly what that is, and I'm just going to garnish that. I'm stealing it from the Moose guys. I think it's a great garnish. I never thought of it. That's just fruit and nut. Perfect, right. Popping up on screen. It's going to be loads more Dead Mans Fingers cocktails, but I'll see you later.